What's up guys, it's Kel Wihler. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. What's on the agenda today? Today I am running... I couldn't even finish that sentence. I am running a whole bunch of errands today, and I figured that I would try to take you guys around with me and just kind of, I don't know, spend the day with me. As if like I'm not even popular, so like who really cares like what I do during the day. It's around 12:30 right now. I wasn't feeling too good last night. I had a bit of an allergy flare-up, so naturally what do? I take medication. I took a Benadryl and overslept this morning. I felt like super groggy when I woke up, and I woke up at around maybe 10:30. I still managed to get a workout in, so I finished training legs today, but I just feel like super sick and just completely unwell. I don't feel good. I feel like kind of like I want to die, but not like a regular type of like wanting to die like I usually feel like maybe when I exercise. That's what's been going on. I'm just going to be running a whole bunch of errands today, picking up a few things, and then coming home and getting some work done. I plan on just sharing with you guys like what I do during the day. Hope you don't mind. So I'm just going through my morning routine right now, my morning skincare routine, and then from there I'm going to get dressed and we're gonna leave the house. I'm off camera at the moment, obviously, just because I'm trying to lotion my body and I don't want that to be on the internet. I need to go to one of the stores because I'm trying to like build my home gym. So I've started buying like a few things like pull-up bands, resistance bands, things like that. But now I'm looking more into weights. I actually saw a deal for some pretty good weights on Amazon. Only problem is that it takes like about 3 weeks for it to ship out. So patiently waiting to get that notification telling me that my package is on its way, but I haven't received that yet. What am I saying? Where was I even going with this? On a store called Canadian Tire, which if you live in Canada, you know what Canadian Tire is. Like they have literally everything. I saw that they were having like a pair of ankle weights on sale. I only have these ones, which I got from the Dollarama, but they're pretty good, even though they're I think like maybe 1 or 2 pounds, but these ones go up to 10 pounds, and I want to see if I can comp that right quick. I just need to first find the closest Canadian Tire to me. I also need to make a list of things that I need because I'm running out of a couple of things. We need what? Cotton balls, a potential frame for my degree because she's a graduate, Q-tips, I think, floss, shampoo and conditioner. I think that's it so far. I am running out of chapstick though. And I still have one more tube left, but I should probably pick up some anyways. Just to show you what I'm talking about, I saw an ad on Amazon for weights like these, but they came in a set of 2 for about maybe $3.99, and that's the problem. I'm just waiting for them to ship. The ones I was looking for were these. They go up to 10 pounds. They come in a pack of 2. So this one is in aisle 35. So you can like put them around your legs and then you can have fun. Doesn't she look like she's having the most amazing time? She's like, what am I doing here? I have my list of things that I need. Oh my god. It's just so much chaos going on in this video right now. Now that I'm dressed, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Cannot forget that because I'm going outside. I want my skin to stay nice. I don't want all this hard work that I put into my skin over the past couple of weeks to go to waste just because some UV rays decided to mess up a good thing. Do I need my glasses? I don't want to wear them. So this is my outfit for today. It's very, I just got out of bed chic. Just wearing some baggy sweats with this crew top and just a bralette underneath because I can't be bothered to get dressed. Nothing special. Let's get going. Oh, one more thing. I almost forgot. I did get a check and I wanted to deposit that. I kind
I just decided at one point that the couch was gonna be their new spot to sleep in. Even though my mom spent like 40 something dollars on like this bed, it's their new bed, but they like to sleep on the couch. Hi guys, I bet mommy's coming home soon, okay? You go ahead and take a nap. Mommy's gonna come home soon, all right? I'll see you later. See you later. Bye, buddy. The weather is surprisingly nice today. Okay, I didn't have any breakfast today, and it's like damn near 1 o'clock. So the first thing that I guess I'm going to do is just stop and get something to eat. Hi, can I have 2 cinnamon raisin bagels toasted with plain cream cheese, please? 1 French vanilla with almond, medium, please. And can I get a straw? Thank you. Is there a straw? Thank you. They almost forgot my straw. Said, can I get a straw, please? He was like, sure. Didn't even get me my straw. I have my bagels, plural, as in 1 is still in the bag, but I'm only holding up 1 because I'm driving. I'm gonna eat that while I drive. It takes like maybe a half hour to get into the city, so instead of you guys like watching me eat while I drive, we're just gonna skip all that. And we're here. I have a trash can. Do they? Oh my god, they do. Alright, aisle 35. Oh, they got a whole bunch of stuff here. Except I'm not seeing the weights. Oh my god. What? This is so good. I found it. It's right here. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Oh, jeez. That's what I'm looking for. But I don't want this box because it's broken. What are these? These are for the wrists. Oof. Oh my god, this one's really heavy. This is like 5 pounds. Who is putting that on their wrist, first of all? I want this one back here. Because this house looks better. I need 2 hands to carry this. I actually do need a stability ball too, but they're like 22 bucks on here. I'm gonna see if I can find one on Amazon and maybe have like a coupon first. That went well. Kind of panicked in there for a little bit because I wasn't seeing it, even though it said it was in stock, but we're good to go. I kind of want to stop at Marshall's because I've been looking for a jewelry box for a while and for some reason just can't seem to find one. I have what I want in mind, but can't seem to find it. Like, I know what I want, but it's not there. Do you know what I mean? But I'm gonna go to a couple of other stores. Now, let's go. Location number 2. Let's see what I can find what I want in here, hopefully. Ooh, these are pretty, but they're like expensive. Oh, this is nice. I like that. Oh, wow. And then there's just me, completely unappealing. Oh, that's pretty. Very nautical themed. Oh. So far, no jewelry boxes, but this is pretty. Wow. That's a big rock. So this is what I'm looking for. Something like this, or bigger. But they don't have anything else except for these. What a shame. This one's really pretty, but it's not exactly what I want. I found the pet aisle. Just some more doggy beds, but my dogs like to sleep on the couch. Got the sweet potato fries. My dogs love these. Some of that. Some of these. Look at the big one for them. They have leashes too. These are really pretty and so cute. I also have like jerky. I think I'll just go for the sweet potato dog treats. This is what they really love. I do want though are some socks. I think it'd be better to find them in the men's section though, but I'm not seeing the ones that I want. So unfortunately, no jewelry box. But besides the dog treats that I picked up for my dog, I also managed to grab a couple of face masks. one for with like vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and then another one for turmeric. And I thought those would be really, really good for like a nice rest and recovery day on the weekend and like slap on a face mask. And it's a pack of 5 too, and they were like $7.99, which is so cool. I also found these Champion socks. They're a pack of 3 for like $8. It's so nice. They were in the men's section. There's like one blue, a white, and a purple, but those are fun. So now I'm gonna head over to the pharmacy because I have to pick up my medication because I'm sick. Achoo. If there is one thing that I cannot stand, it's when people stand too close to me in the store. I was waiting in line and there was this woman who was like standing behind me. She's waiting in line too, obviously, but you know, there's markers on the floor that say, you know, stand 6 feet apart, 2 meters away. This woman is standing too close to me, too close for comfort. I start like moving away over to the side just a little bit so that way she can get the hint like, hey, you're standing too close. Guess what she does?
She moves even closer!
Like, what? Excuse me?
Back up!
I hate when people stand too close to me, especially when we're in like COVID corona season. Sweetie, back up. I already do not like when people get like in my personal space, like in my bubble. It's like literally like inching towards me, like she's looking for something and like, excuse me,
Can I help you?
I should have just started coughing profusely. Honestly, I don't even know why I didn't do that. I did that last time when someone stood too close to me, but they looked at me like like I drew a little bit of unwanted attention to myself when I started doing that, and so everybody kind of was just like, go home. Why are you here? She was testing my patience today. Really, really testing my patience. Move. Please. Let's do it. Location number 3. Shoppers Drug Mart Pharmacy. So my sister actually told me about some sunscreen that she got, and I'm just looking for it.